if the keyboard you use every day was designed specifically for your hands, your workflow, and even your personality? In 2026, that's no longer a dream, it's reality, and it's changing how people work from home forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Career Robotic channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest underrated productivity upgrades: 3D printed mechanical keyboards. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're completely transforming comfort, speed, and efficiency in home offices around the world. Traditional keyboards are designed with mass production in mind, which means they are built to suit as many people as possible, but rarely fit anyone perfectly. This one size fits all approach often forces users into unnatural hand positions, causing strain over long work sessions and reducing overall comfort. Over time, this can lead to slower typing speeds, fatigue, and even physical discomfort that affects productivity. For people who spend hours typing, coding, editing, or managing tasks online, this small ineffective add up, creating a work experience that feels more exhausting than it should be. 3D printed mechanical keyboards completely change this experience by giving users full control over the design of their keyboard, from the shape and layout to the angle and spacing of the keys. Instead of adapting your hands to a fixed device, the device adapts to you, allowing for more natural positioning and smoother movement. Users can create split keyboards that align with their shoulders, adjust key placement to reduce finger travel, and even design layouts tailored to specific workflows such as programming or video editing. This level of personalization turns the keyboard into a precise tool rather than a generic accessory. The impact on productivity comes from several subtle but powerful improvements that build up over time. When your hands are comfortable, you can work longer without fatigue and maintain better focus throughout the day. When your keyboard layout is optimized, your fingers move more efficiently, allowing you to type faster and with fewer errors. Additionally, custom layouts can integrate shortcuts and macros directly into your workflow, reducing repetitive actions and saving valuable time. Instead of adjusting yourself to your tools are designed to support the way you naturally work, which leads to a more fluid and efficient experience. Beyond performance, 3D printed keyboards also introduce a level of personalization that can significantly impact motivation and enjoyment. Users can experiment with unique designs, colors, and keycap styles, creating a setup that reflects their personality and preferences. This might seem like a small detail, but having a workspace that feels personal and visually appealing can make a big difference in how motivated you feel to sit down and work each day. When your environment is tailored to you, even routine tasks can feel more engaging and satisfying. What makes this trend especially important in 2026 is how accessible it has become compared to just a few years ago. 3D printers are now more affordable and easier to use, while online communities provide ready made designs, guides, and support for beginners. This means that you no longer need advanced technical skills to build your own keyboard, as many resources are designed to help users get started step by step. As a result, what was once a niche hobby has evolved into a practical option for anyone looking to improve their workspace. Looking ahead, the evolution of 3D printed keyboards is only just beginning, with new innovations pushing the boundaries of what these devices can do. We are starting to see the integration of artificial intelligence to suggest optimized layouts based on user behavior, as well as modular or designs that allow keyboards to adapt over time. In the future, your keyboard could continuously evolve with your habits, becoming smarter and more efficient the more you use it. This shift represents a move toward tools that are not just customizable but truly adaptive. Another important advantage that is often overlooked is the long term impact on your physical health. Spending hours every day on a poorly designed keyboard can gradually lead to wrist pain, finger strain, and even repetitive stress injuries that can seriously affect your ability to work. With 3D printed mechanical keyboards, users can design layouts that reduce tension on the wrists and fingers by promoting more natural hand positions and minimizing unnecessary movement. Over time, this not only helps prevent discomfort but also allows you to maintain consistent productivity without being interrupted by fatigue or pain, making it a smart investment not just for performance but for your overall well-being. 3D printed mechanical keyboards are not just a trend or a passing innovation. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about productivity tools. By combining comfort, efficiency, and personalization, they address many of the limitations of traditional keyboards and offer a more refined and user centered experience. For anyone working from home, investing in a tool that directly affects how you interact with your computer every day can have a significant impact on both performance and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on productivity, technology, and creative tools. Let me know in the comments if you would ever design your own keyboard or if you prefer to stick with a traditional setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.